Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Divert. Divert means cause to change course. For example, a scheme to divert water from the river to irrigate agricultural land. A scheme to divert water from the river to irrigate agricultural land. Synonyms: reroute, redirect, change the course of.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Keep it this way, and maybe I could divert all questions. Now, repeat after me. Keep it this way, and maybe I could divert all questions. The second exemplar. Apparently much of the water upstream has been diverted for agricultural use. Now, repeat after me. Apparently much of the water upstream has been diverted for agricultural use. The third exemplar. Outbound lanes will be closed and drivers diverted to detours for another week. Now, repeat after me. Outbound lanes will be closed and drivers diverted to detours for another week.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The motto on the Royal Coat of Arms of the United Kingdom is in French. It says, Dieu et mon droit, or, God and my right.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.